Hey everybody, it's Blake from Nerf Discussion, and so in today's video, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be doing some custom Nerf guns by me, and how I would use a certain gun in a Nerf war, and then also at the end, I'm going to talk to you about something special coming this summer, probably, maybe the spring. So let's get into the first gun. Starting off, I have the Slingfire with the 25 round drum. This is not the one that it ships with because you can order it with the 6 round or 25 round drum. This is not the one it ships with, and then the modulus targeting scope. So that is the first gun. My second gun is the Demolisher with the dart holder because tactics. 10 round straight mag, the long range barrel, and then the standard stock. The next gun, I have the Tri-Strike with the Ion Fire barrel, 18 round mag, the modulus shield, and recon stock painted white. Now for the next gun is the Rampage with the red dot sight and an 18 round mag. Next gun is the Strife with the 20 round drum, modulus self-ops barrel, self-ops grip, and then the Recon Mark II stock. Next gun is the Modulus with a 12 round mag, standard barrel, and the Retaliator grip. Next gun is the Doomlands Desolator with the Modulus scope, the Modulus long range scope, and then the 12 round mag. Next gun is the Retaliator with the Recon Mark II barrel, the Retaliator stock, and a 12 round mag. That was the final gun. So now I'm going to talk about what's coming this summer, probably this summer, might be the spring. So this is an idea me and my friends have had for a while. So we're going to be filming like a staged Nerf war, like where we acted out and everything. And it's going to be really good, and that's why these are the guns that we're going to be using, how I customized them. And so just be on the lookout for that sometime. It might be like next winter, but we'll probably film it in the summer and it might go up next winter. I don't know when it'll go up, but that's the big news. And so please subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and as always, this is Blake from the Nerf Discussion signing off.